Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. This is Chappy. He's very playful this morning. I just came back from a 4-mile run and I am 44 years old, so that means it's time to stretch it out. I'm going to go through a quick video for runners, people who work out, really anyone who just got some tight muscles going on. If you like yoga videos, please subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week. Liking the videos and subscribing to my channel is a very easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, yogis, since we're already warm and kind of sore from running, we're going to begin standing today. So to start, mountain pose. You can float your eyes shut if you'd like. Focus in on your breathing. See if you can even out the qualities of your inhales and exhales. And if you'd like to set an intention for your practice today, something you can bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, maybe something positive you can bring forward into the rest of your day. Now's a good time. On your next inhale, let's reach the arms up. Inhale up tall overhead, clasp the hands together into pistol fingers, and exhale over to the left. Inhale back up to center, exhale to the right. Inhale, exhale. We're just going to continue to flow like this. Let's take one more round together. And meet back in center. Release the arms down to the sides. I'm going to step to the front of the mat. Inhale up tall again overhead. Exhale down, forward fold. Let's just hang in ragdoll. Grab each elbow. Leave a slight bend in the knees. Just hang here, shifting the weight forward towards the balls of the feet. Getting a good stretch in the hamstrings and the low back. Continue to breathe. On your next inhale, let's release the hands down. Halfway lift, gaze in front of you. Exhale down, step back into plank, and just press back into down dog. You can begin to pedal the feet here. Start stretching out the calves, drawing the shoulders down the back. On an inhale, bring the right leg up in three-legged dog. Then bend the knee, opening up the hip. Hold it there. Try to keep your shoulders square. Then inhale the leg back up. Look forward in between your hands. Step forward, leaving the back knee up. Now bring the right hand beside the inside of the right foot and sort of pedal the right foot out to the side of the mat. Coming into lizard pose or runner's lunge. Now you can stay here if this is enough of a hip stretch for you. Option, you can drop the back knee and release the toes. Maybe this is enough for the inner thigh. If you need a little more, you can come down onto your forearms. Trying to keep the knee out towards the pinky toe. You can come back up on the left leg if you'd like. Get some engagement in both legs. Whatever pose you've chosen here, just breathe. If you've come down onto the forearms, come back up onto your hand. You can drop the left knee down, plant the left hand, pick up the left foot, reach behind with the right hand. Try to catch the foot for a quad stretch. If that's too much for you, just leave the foot down and reach behind. Breathe. Whatever you've chosen, just breathe into it. If you grabbed your foot, release the foot. Bring the hand back forward. Bring the right foot in between the hands. Pick up the left toes, plant them behind you, and walk back towards the left foot. Inhale up tall here, exhale forward fold, just as best as you can. Do not force it. These hammies are probably a little sore. Breathe here. On your next inhale, walk back forward. Plant the hands. Come up on the back foot. Step back into plank. Just shift all the way back into down dog and pedal your feet. A lot of active stretching here. On your next inhale, lift the left foot up in three-legged dog. Bend the left knee, opening up the hip, keeping the shoulders as square as you can. Straighten out the leg. Look in between your hands. Step forward into a lunge. Now bring the left hand in beside the left foot. Shimmy the left foot out to the left side of the mat. Coming into lizard pose or runner's lunge. Option to stay here. Option to drop the knee and untuck the toes. Option to come down on the forearms. Whatever you choose, make sure you have the knee out towards the pinky toe and just breathe into it. On an inhale, if you've come down onto your forearms, come back up onto the hands. Drop the knee behind you. Untuck the toes. Reach behind with the left arm. You can stay here if this is enough for you today, or maybe catch the toes and get a bit of a quad stretch. Wherever you are at with this is exactly perfect. Just breathe here. If you decided to catch the foot, release the foot. Bring the hand back in front of you. Come up on the right foot. Step behind with the left foot in plank. Shift back into down dog. Let's pedal those feet one more time. Look forward in between your hands. Step or hop forward. And just come down to the mat. Bring the legs out in front of you. Bend the right knee up. Let it fall over to the side. Bring the right foot over to the thigh. Square the hips so that you're facing the left leg. Inhale up tall. Exhale forward fold over the leg. Just breathe into it. Drawing the navel in towards the back. On an inhale, carefully come back up. Take your right knee, bring it back up. Reach behind with the right hand. Reach up overhead with the left hand. Hook the left elbow to the knee and look behind you. Nice twist. Come out of your twist and back to center. Put the right leg down. Inhale the left leg up. Let the knee fall over to the side. Let the foot come into the right thigh. Square the hips. Inhale up tall. Exhale forward fold over the foot. Remember, you can keep a micro bend in the knee here. You always want to protect your knees. On an inhale, carefully come back up. Bring the left knee back up. Reach behind with the left hand. Inhale the right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the elbow beside the knee and twist. Come back around out of your twist. Bring the left leg out just a little bit so that your knee's still bent. Bring the right leg up so that it's bent and come all the way down to your mat. Let's give the legs a bit of a restorative posture. Just take both legs, put them up overhead. Just hold them overhead. They may shake a little here, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Just letting the lymphatic fluid flow back up to the middle of the body where it can be removed. Now release the knees out to the sides, preparing for happy baby. Reach up with the arms, grab the sides of the legs or the sides of the feet. You can just stay here in this posture or roll from side to side. Yogi's choice. Release the feet, bring the knees in, reach up, give yourself a hug because you did amazing today. And release into Shavasana, just let it all go. Any remaining tension, just feel it release from you in a wave. All the way from the top of your head, between your eyes, your jaw, your throat, your chest. Any tension in the shoulders, arms, hands, stomach, waist, hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles and feet. Just a warm wave, just flow all the way down and feel all of it sink away from you. Feel how you are safe and supported here. If you have time, you could stay here in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Otherwise, begin to call yourself back home. Start making some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long for a big stretch and roll over to one side in the fetal position. Pause here for a moment. And when you're ready, use your hands and press yourself back up into a comfortable, easy seat. Float the hands back down to your knees. Close your eyes. let's do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for taking the time to slow down, stretch, and be mindful. And do something that's good for you. You can bring your hands to heart center. Open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking a little time to do some yoga with me. I hope this helps your muscle recovery and that you are all ready to go tomorrow. Be safe, happy, and well, friends. And I'll see you next time.